Hey, all. You're very familiar with the way that Saphira captures hazards right now and builds up risk assessments. But what I'm about to show you is our most exciting sneak peek at a streamlined dashboard to do all of this. So what you've already seen has been this requirements table where we enumerate a bunch of hazards and the control measures that we've generated and inferred off of these. For example, in this fulfillment center robot, hazards include, for example, shuttle shear point, a case where a moving platform could slice a person as it moves by them, and control measures that need to be put in place, such as particular barriers along a conveyor and an interlock surrounding the conveyor as well, a lockout system. But now, take a look at the best way for you to view all of this. So this is one compliance dashboard that tells you exactly how many hazards you've evaluated in this risk assessment, how many control measures you put in place, the core safety functions those all come back to, and your current compliance rate. You can click into every one of these and view every bit of this calculation, and even look at this audit log showing what Oscar has been up to in building up this risk assessment. You can even check out this tutorial that walks you through doing all of this. You can take a look at the hazards, control measures, safety functions, compliance rate, the risk matrix, and recent activity. So click into hazards and you see exactly the workflow we've gone through in entering these. We've entered severity, we've entered probability rating, and ultimately we've put up a risk level. And we've dictated our risk assessment path of getting to that particular level. And then we show the reduction that is invoked by the control measures we've put in place. So we have these hazards, you can add even more here. And then in control measures, you see the control measures we've added so far. You see exactly how we input them, just descriptions and effectiveness factors right now. And pretty soon you'll have the same ability we typically show to generate these based on the standards that are linked to this project. And then these are all aggregated into actual safety functions, which you can view the PL, the residual risk for with the associated hazards and control measures. And very soon, when you click edit here, you'll actually be able to view the Hills Pascal view for visual composition of these safety functions and the MTTFD and DC average calculations across every component in the system. We'll even be able to support you importing existing Pascal and Sistema modules. And this all brings us back to our main compliance view that shows how we've burned down compliance over time and the remaining non-compliant functions. Best part is ISO 13849 is really just the start. These dashboards are already under development for release in the next week for IEC 61508, ISO 13482, and dozens of other standards that thousands of companies are quickly seeking certification on. Use Saphira to accelerate your certification now.